Welcome to this comprehensive review of Map My Walk, a platform designed to enhance your walking experience by utilizing advanced GPS tracking and fitness monitoring. In this video, I'll provide an honest, step-by-step walkthrough of the website and app, focusing on its features, usability, and potential drawbacks. Starting from the homepage, Map My Walk immediately emphasizes its core feature, route tracking. The interface is straightforward, displaying a clean and organized layout where users can log activities, create custom walking routes, and view detailed statistics. Signing up is quick and offers basic functionalities for free, though a premium subscription unlocks features such as live tracking and advanced analytics. Navigating to the dashboard, you're presented with an intuitive setup. You can map out walks manually or use the GPS feature for real-time tracking. The website syncs effortlessly with the mobile app, which I found particularly useful for those on the go. There's also compatibility with popular fitness devices like Fitbit and Apple Watch. One standout feature is the route planner, which allows you to visualize your walk on a map before you start. This is handy for exploring new areas or setting up a scenic route. The platform also includes a social component, enabling you to share progress and connect with friends for added motivation. However, there are a few areas where the site could improve. While the free version offers great basic functionality, the premium tier might feel expensive for some users who don't require advanced features. Additionally, the app sometimes struggles with GPS accuracy in densely built-up areas. Another point to consider is the overwhelming amount of notifications and prompts encouraging users to upgrade, which can feel intrusive. Overall, Map My Walk excels as a tool for casual and serious walkers alike, offering robust tracking and motivational features. Whether you're looking to start a fitness journey or enhance your routine, it provides the tools needed to succeed. Be sure to check out all the features and see if it aligns with your goals. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button.